I whip my antlers back and forth. I whip my antlers back and forth. I whip my antlers back and forth.
Hey Rudolph, shut up.
But Santa.
Rudolph, I have something for you.
Oh.
Here, I got you this.
Thanks. Oh, wait. I have something for you too. Here you go.
Thank you.
You got me a candy cane. This is exactly what I wanted. How did you know?
Like, did you get me paper?
It's all the way at the bottom.
That's exactly what I want! Paper rounds! Oh my god! Oh, Elf! Oh, he's right here. Hey, Elf.
Aw, she wants to be a present. Aww.